Good afternoon over here at Weir's Buick GMC, Route 1 in Arundel, Maine. Just wanted to do a quick walk around video of this 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Crew Cab 4-wheel drive that we have here on the lot. It is still available. This is a Denali Ultimate package, so it has the upgraded 6.2 liter V8, the power retractable running boards, as well as those really sharp looking 22-inch wheels. It's finished in this very nice white frost Tricoat paint. It's got a little over 38,000 miles on it. Go ahead and take a look at the interior here. As you can see, these running boards do come right out to help you up in this truck. They also have, if you hit the back of it right here, they do extend out so you can get a little bit easier access to the pickup bed itself. As you can see, you have your black leather interior with your power sunroof up top there. Driver door panel, you have your power windows, mirrors, and locks. You also have your memory settings for your power driver seat. Controls for that are there. Go ahead and step on inside here. To the left of the wheel, you have your trailer brake controller, your 4-wheel drive controller, as well as your lighting controls. You do have some functionality on the wheel as well. You have your cruise control, your forward collision alert. You can see there. Your heated steering wheel. On the right side here, you have your hands-free calling buttons, as well as some buttons to scroll through various pages on that center screen there. So you can see 38,009 miles on this Sierra Denali. Over here you have your column shifter with your manual and tow haul modes. You also have heated and air conditioned front seats in this truck. Here's your infotainment screen here with your audio system, as well as your Bluetooth phone, your navigation, and your backup camera. Some audio controls there, some climate controls. You do have some various switches down here. So starting here, we have your power adjustable pedals, your traction control, your bed lights, your parking sensors, your lane keep assist, your hill descent control, as well as the button to turn off and on those power retractable running boards. You have some various ports there to charge your various devices. Got some storage space, some cup holders. You do have the full center console in this truck, so you do have some storage space on the side there. Here's your armrest with your wireless charging pad. Up here you have your controls for your power sunroof, as well as your power sliding rear window, and you can pair 3 different garage door clickers to this truck. Go ahead and take a look at the back seat here. This being the full crew cab, you do have plenty of legroom back here for your passengers. However, if you do need to store some things, lift these back seats right up and there is some storage space under the seats there. Just push it right back down. It's very easy. Here's your power sliding rear window. You do have the full bed liner in this truck, and your tow hitch. If you have any further questions on this Sierra, don't hesitate to give us a call. Direct line in is 207-496-1760. Thanks for looking and have a great day.